Good morning students. Today we are going to start our third point in model topic. Today we will discuss about the models that are used for advising, to show duty or to tell about the obligation. So to give advice, otherwise for advice we use should model, or to tell about duty we use must, or for obligation we use ought to. So in this video we will discuss about three models which are should, must or ought to. Now what is advice? A general advice, a general suggestion, a general suggestion is your advice. If something is said such as do not waste your time, if someone says do not waste your time, he can say you should not waste your time. If someone say get up early, it means he can say you should get up early. So it is a general suggestions to someone. About the duty we have a compulsion. It is a compulsion. It is a compulsion, means such type of actions which belongs to advice but they are have to do. Okay, some actions, some advice, some suggestions that we should have to do are known as duty. So to tell about the duty we use must model. Now obligation. Obligation is the same part of duty or advice. We can say it is a mixed formation of duty or advice. So obligation we have by birth, obligation we have for our parents, obligation we have for our country. So any sentence that are said for parents, for our country, for our morality are known as a obligation, and for obligation we use ought to model. So these models can have place of each other. I can say should, must. Should is equal to must and both are equal to ought to. This equation we have, we can say should is less than must, which are not our duty. Such type of condition we use should, and must is less than ought to. In the condition of ought to, we have to follow given advice. If someone have given us advice that belongs to our parents, our country, such type of advice we have to follow. Now we have three examples of advice, duty and obligation. In the first example, we have we space not waste our time, and we have clues, we have options should, must and ought to. So with the help of these three options, we have to fill the given fill in the blanks. So first sentence is said for not to waste our time. Anyone, whether he or she is a student or not a student, it is a general advice to all that we should not waste our time. So it is a general advice for all. If the general advice is given, then we use should modal. In the second question is said by a teacher, and teacher said to you. It means here teacher is telling about a duty to a student. So what is teacher saying? Teacher is saying that you space come in uniform. It means a student cannot come without uniform. A student must wear a uniform in school. So it is a duty of a student to wear uniform while coming school. In the third example, we have we space to respect our parents. In the third example, we have a word parents. So this example is showing a duty, a advice for our parents. So a duty or advice is shown short for regarding parents, otherwise short for parents in case such type of example belongs to obligation. In other words, in the third question, after fill in the blanks, we have two preposition, and in ought to we also have two preposition. So after fill in the blanks, if two preposition is given, then always use ought. Okay, don't write ought to means two times two preposition. Don't write two times two preposition, only write one time that we have in the question already. So such type of examples are used for duty, for advice, or for obligation. Thank you.